Hey friends, Sandy Waggett here with MSW Interactive Designs, and today I'm here with another marketing tip. So I want to talk with you briefly about referral marketing and ask the question, what systems do you have in place right now in your business to generate referrals on an ongoing basis? Now, this is a technique that I've used with MSW Interactive Designs for at least 18 years. We're a 22-year-old business, and I have a very intentional procedure for generating referrals in our company. And it has helped my business grow and grow and grow year after year. Now, with referral marketing, one of the biggest things and challenges that business owners have is actually asking for referrals or knowing how to ask for a referral. Well, if you don't ask, the answer is always no, right? So first of all, I'm going to encourage you to find opportunities to ask your existing customers or clients for referrals. Now, the best time to do that is when you first start working with them, because they generally have made the decision to work with you and they're big fans. You haven't had an opportunity to screw up yet, and hopefully you don't. And then the other thing is putting a customer journey experience in place so that throughout the process, you are growing that relationship with your existing client and over time turning them into an advocate who just can't wait to refer you to their friends, family, and other business associates. Now, the thing is that people really do love to give referrals. People love it when they get asked their opinions of businesses. So you want to set yourself up to be one of those people that comes to mind. You can do that through social media, staying top of mind. And then you can also do it through ongoing communication and nurturing with your existing clients. Things like an email newsletter that goes out weekly, or a text messaging campaign where you're touching your existing clients and providing value each and every week. So you're staying in front of them. Top of mind in referral marketing is everything. The big thing you also need to make sure you do is educate your existing client base about what makes a great referral for you. Who's your ideal customer? If you haven't identified that for yourself, there's no way that your existing clients and customers are going to know that. So you want to take the time to do that as well. And I actually have a free tool on my website, MSW Interactive Designs, you can download to clearly define your ideal customer and where to find them. The cool thing about referrals is then you generally get pre-qualified leads and people who don't quibble over price. So when you get a referral from an existing client or customer, they've already set the stage, and 9 times out of 10, the decision is already made to start work with you. So the whole sales process is easier too. Now, you want to make sure that you have a system in place that's documented and educate your team on exactly what steps you're taking in your referral marketing process. And that process includes education of your existing client base, how and when to ask, and then nurturing that relationship from first closing the deal to turning them into advocates for your business. Now, there's other ways that are obvious of joining networking groups. Now, I'm a member of BNI, Business Network International, and my company is actually in 6 different chapters. I've got employees in 6 chapters in our area, one in Lebanon, Missouri, and one in Jefferson City, Missouri as well. And I have been a member of BNI for 18 years. It's been that powerful for my business over the years. Now, if you're in the local area and you are interested in visiting a business networking group with me, you are welcome to be my guest. Just reach out or make a comment in the video below, and I'll be happy to bring you. It is a very intentional group of business owners who serve as the sales force for one another and help each other grow our businesses and grow personally and professionally. So I hope this tip helps. Make referral marketing a process in your business. You want to document it, use it, implement it, and your business will grow exponentially. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Sandy Waggett with MSW Interactive Design signing off.